So you just got denied for a loan. The bank looked at your tax return. They said, nah, not today. Deny, stamp, get you at the door. You got to walk home in between the tail between your legs. You show your wife the denial. Mom's crying, sister's crying, wife's crying, kids is crying, the newborn baby's crying, everybody's crying. Everything's a madhouse. That's when you remember this video. And that's when you remember, oh wait, remember that handsome fella, Charlie, when he was talking about, what was that thing called? And a light bulb goes off, ding, bank statement loans. So you call up your favorite mortgage guy. Hey, me and the wife looking to buy a house. We're really excited. We just got denied. Is there anything you can do? The big grin starts appearing on the mortgage guy's face. He says, you know what? Aren't you self-employed? And you're like, yeah. And he's all, didn't you make 15,000 every single month for the past, 2, 3, 4 years? And you say, yeah, just about there. And then now what happens is, send me 12 to 24 months of your bank statements. Boom. So you get online, send the 12 to 24 months. He gets it checked out. Your income comes back clean. That loan's approved. So instead of looking what happens with bank statement loans, instead of looking at the number on your tax returns, okay, the lender will instead look at the deposits that are going into your bank account. So if the money is coming in consistently into your account, that's what they'll use to qualify you for. Not a number written on a paper by your tax preparer. No tax returns are needed, no W-2s, no pay stubs, and they're gonna judge you off what you're actually making. If you are self-employed, this is the ultimate hack. Another example, let's say during COVID, you opened up a brand new home remodeling business, okay? You left your old job, be like, I'm gonna do something else. So you've been running this business now for 5 years now, since COVID. You're bringing in $25,000 a month. But when you go when tax-proof season comes around, you write everything off, the paint, the floors, the furniture. You even write off that nice vacation that you took last year. You write that off. Your income comes down to $60,000 a month. Or I'm sorry, $60,000 for the year. Sorry, bank's looking at that. I don't think you can get this loan. I don't think you get this house. I don't think you can start building your foundation, your financial foundation for yourself and your family and for generations to come. I don't think you have enough of that. But again, you remember this video that you saw, you call up your mortgage guy, hey, I need a loan, a bank statement loan. Boom. This is your ticket. This is your key to homeownership, okay? Not everybody is gonna have the same, this is your ticket, this is your key. That is the power of this loan. Now, I know we're all excited, I know we're happy, but first, before you try and get one, these are some things you should look out for. Most bank statement loans require 10 to 20% down. I know that can be a lot of money depending on the purchase price, but the more you put down, the better your approval odds. Interest rates. Yes, interest rates can be a little bit higher than conventional loans, but it's more of a buy scenario situation. A couple months ago, we closed a loan in the 5s, bank statement loans in the 5s. So it might be higher, it might be lower. Check with your mortgage guy to see, or mortgage lady, to see your specific scenario. For the bank statement requirements, most lenders usually require 12 to 24 months. Again, you'll want to speak with your mortgage guy just to be sure on that. Usually the pricing is a little bit better when you go from 12 to 24, but it's usually not that big. Yes, your credit score does matter. Most lenders are going to want to see a 680 or higher, but again, each loan is a buy scenario, so check with your mortgage guy as far as how low they can go on their FICO score. Again, most of the time it's 680 or higher. The higher your FICO score, the better the pricing is gonna be on your loan. And lastly, yes, and if you are a big baller, they do have jumbo range bank statement loans. And yes, these loan amounts can be big. So if you are a big baller, they do have bank statement loans for the jumbo range. If you can understand the things that I just told you, 10 to 20% down, usually have above a 680 FICO score. Yes, you can be in the jumbo range for bank statement loans, and your interest rate will range. It might be a little bit higher than a standard conventional FHA loan, and you're going to need 12 to 24 months of consistent deposits to qualify. You understand more than 99% of self-employed individuals who think they cannot buy a home. Again, if you understand the things that I just told you, you know more than 99% of the self-employed individuals who think they cannot buy a home. So here's the takeaway. You're self-employed and you're tired of the banks treating you like crap. Well, here's the takeaway. You're self-employed or a business owner, whatever the case is, or a gig worker, and you're tired of you being told that you can't buy a home. This is your way in. This is your golden ticket, golden nugget, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, golden candy bar, whatever the case. This is your way into homeownership. If you want me to break down this step by step, or you want to know what lenders actually look for on these specific loan programs, comment below or shoot me a DM.